getting ready to fall plant some peonies here, and I just wanted to throw a tip out there. If you have peonies that you never get blooms on, there's one simple explanation for that, and that is that they are planted too deeply. Peonies don't want to be planted any deeper than 2 inches or so above this crown. You start to get 3 or more inches down, and that's when you get nice lush growth and good sized plants, but no blooms. So if you have peonies that you just never seem to get flowers off, that's probably your problem. So you can see here that the stems here, the buds, they're coming up from the crown, and this is the part that you need to have no more than 2 inches below the soil. The rest of this taproot can angle down and go down, but this is the part that you're paying the most attention to. Just get that with about 2 inches of soil on it, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you have established plants and they are not blooming, go ahead and scrape some of that topsoil away, being careful not to damage your crown or your stems or your buds. Scrape that away until the depth is no more than 2 inches, and you should see blooms in the following season. It may take a year or so before that happens, but in the following summer, you should get some nice blooms from your peonies.